Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with Loom for product walkthrough affiliate videos, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Loom for your product walkthrough affiliate videos, first, visit the Loom website. Click on the Get Started Free button to create an account. You can sign up using your Google account or by entering your email and creating a password. Once your account is set up, download and install the Loom desktop app or use the browser extension. Open Loom and log in to your account. You'll see options to record your screen, webcam, or both. Select the screen you want to record. For a product walkthrough, choose to record your entire screen or just a specific application window. Adjust your microphone settings to ensure clear audio. Take a moment to check your webcam settings if you choose to include your face in the video. Once everything is set, click the red Start Recording button. Begin your product walkthrough by introducing the product and its key features. Make sure to speak clearly and maintain a friendly tone throughout. Navigate through the product, highlighting important functions and benefits. If you make a mistake, don't worry, Loom allows for easy editing later. When you're finished with the walkthrough, click Stop Recording. You'll be redirected to the Loom dashboard where you can preview your video. Take this time to trim any unnecessary parts if needed. Add a title and description to your video, making it relevant to your audience. Share the video link directly or embed it on your website or social media platforms. Review the video once more to ensure it meets your standards. Now you are ready to promote your product walkthrough affiliate video using Loom. Follow these steps, and you'll create engaging content in no time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.